Okay, the tube tester's fixed. This is an Eico 625. I've had it for many years. I have a 12 AU7 RCA clear top in here. And what you do is you roll this tube chart until you find your tube. Here we are, 12 AU7. Set the shunt to 25. Set the filament voltage to 6.3, and you can see the filaments are lit up there. The selector switch is set to the number 2. And then the up switches are 1 and 2, and the down are 3, 4, 5. So we got 1, 2 up, 3, 4, 5 down. Everything else is in the middle. I've done a line adjust on this already. This is where you calibrate the machine. You do a line adjust where the well, shoot, let's just, I don't want to change the thing, but you flip this switch here to line adjust and then calibrate it across the line right here. So okay, so I'm going to hit the short and merit. If there's an electrical short, this light over here will come on. If there's some kind of tube overload, this light will come on, and I verified that both of these lights work. So so far so good. So let's push the short merit button, and this is a good tube. And my Eico 625 tube tester is restored, back to life, cleaned up, working good.